Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Click Man, and you're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at Kevin Samuel's funniest or most savage moments. If you guys have been on the internet, you know who this guy is, and he is hilarious. He's one of those guys. I wouldn't say it's like a red pill type of guy, but it's just straight facts. R.I.P. to him. You know, I think he passed away. I think it's less than a year ago, but this guy was super funny, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, man, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on post notifications. Drop a like and help me get this video out there. And let me know what you think about these moments, man. We're just going to get right into it as usual. I'll see you guys in the next one. Appreciate you for watching. Peace.
He's 70 years old, and as long as I'm not shooting blanks, I can make babies. You can't.
The
reason why,
as I said, man, this man is known for the cold, hard facts. You get me? Just straight facts. That's all he... Why am I rubbing my eyes so much? That's all he talks out of his mouth. It's facts.
I became a phlebotomy technician is because there's something called a paramedical insurance examiner.
Oh my
Get the fuck
god.
off my phone, bitch.
Oh. And the good thing about him is, you know, people always try to act like, oh, he only talks shit about women. No. Both men and females. Once they call, he tells them all.
I don't get the phone. Go take blood, boy. Can't even. You in a job where people quiet in the background.
He was so disrespectful.
Have you watched one of my videos, a 3-hour video from front to back?
That girl situation when he was ranking. That
Okay,
girl.
you're not paying attention.
When he was what? Talk to him.
Have you watched one of my videos? Have you watched a full video of mine from front to back? One of my live streams.
I just saw one video. Was it the whole? I think it was a whole video of some girl when you were.
He was ranking her. He asked her what her
Asked her what she ranked herself.
I have a full 3-hour show that I do, and you watched a 7-minute clip. I challenge you and your friend to go back to my channel and watch the full 30-minute. Oh, now see, I'm not going to do this. And this is the problem.
You know what's funny is that people will go on somebody's show or their thing, somebody's thing, and decide that they're gonna, you know, interrupt them and do whatever. It's just so funny to me. Like, obviously these people just cut you off their shit.
But you haven't even
Public space.
Responded to what I said. You haven't even watched the full video of where the excerpt was coming from, and then but your friend has the nerve to make a judgment that women have no problem judging men on partial information. But when a man,
please.
And you women are acting just like so many women who get upset. You have little to no information.
Please stop generalizing women.
To ask you certain questions, and what you're responding to, I'm responding back to it. So you're referring to past videos, but I'm referring to things that you're telling me now. But you don't even let other people talk. You're asking me how old I am. You're generalizing women.
Bye.
No, we haven't had sex.
Okay. Why?
Why? Because I'm stingy. I'm stingy with the puss.
Excuse me?
With the puss.
I'm stingy with it. I do not give it up easily.
Were you married to your daughter's your baby mama, though, right?
I've never been married, no, but I just
okay,
don't.
so
I know.
Hold on. Let's talk about this though. See.
So I'm guessing the idea here is, you know, she's a baby mom. She has a kid, and she's saying now she doesn't want to just have sex with randoms, which I get it, man. Like, you feel like you did it the first time and you don't want to keep doing that. You don't want to keep living like that. I feel like somebody should be entitled to that. But when you have expectations, or when you feel entitled to other things because of that, with that background, then it's going to get tricky. And I guarantee you that's what he's going to tell her now.
I find it funny that women like yourself, baby mamas, all of a sudden want to get stingy with the puss after you done gave your womb up before a ring. But then you want the high value men to put a ring on it before he gets it?
How am I supposed to give it away?
You goddamn right you already did. Because
yo, why did he say you goddamn right like that?
The thing. See, that's what I mean. Man, you're a used vehicle wanting brand
my god, bro. This nigga did not need to say that.
new 2021 prices. You can laugh all you want to, man, but you just said 6 months.
The man said
you're
you're
not
a used man said you're a used vehicle.
You're talking about he's marriage minded. What do you think he's inserting his penis? In his hand?
No, that's the thing. He could be inserting it somewhere else.
Exactly, because here's the thing. Men with options don't play these games.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Facts.
All right. You were saying, do I want to hear about your original plan?
Right.
Okay.
So you
No, and I will tell you why. You're not doing it. You're doing what you have to do to survive and live. Okay?
Okay.
So your original plan, it doesn't matter.
I agree.
It does if it can change my situation.
Okay. Go ahead.
The what ifs.
Since you know better than I do.
No, nobody ever said that. Okay, but anyway.
I mean, go ahead.
Yo.
The reason why I became a phlebotomy technician is because there's something called a paramedical insurance examiner. I'm not sure if you heard about that.
It doesn't matter. Go ahead. I don't have to know what you know, but go ahead.
All right, thank you.
All right, look here, man. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a little bitchy boys. Get the fuck off my phone, bitch. I don't get the phone. Go take blood, boy.
Yo, I didn't even know that you could diss somebody by saying that, but that shit sounded disrespectful.
Where people quiet in the background.
Well, Kevin, Mr. Samuel, it seems I have a question. Did you date
Kevin, Mr. Samuels
30-year-old women? Because you mentioned on the last show.
And that is a question. Why?
Yeah, I mean, if you're doing it, why would you say you're 50?
Because okay, first off, okay, you want to answer that question? It's a double standard. Just like you can stay at home while I got to go work. If I was at home and you worked, people would look at me a certain way.
100%.
This is a double standard that's been with us since time immemorial.
And I agree with that double standard. No nigga should be at home while his wife is out working. That's weird.
Children can come out of whatever I do. I can be 70 years old, and as long as I'm not shooting blanks, I can make babies. You can't.
Hey, I don't care what you look like.
So I don't.
But I said no. I don't care what you look.
I know he's about to attack this man's hairline.
Like. Before a woman's gonna sign off and become your missus, they're gonna check their pockets. So if you honestly think, okay, here's the thing, and I don't know your first name. So what is it?
Walter.
Baldwin.
Walter. If you were to wake up tomorrow and be broke, how long you think your wife would stay?
Until I die.
Okay. Hope that never happens to you. Hope you never. But that would be the first woman to hear. Well, I went to the first woman. But is your wife asleep or is she talking to you?
No, she just walked up. I woke up.
I'm not going to inject any difficulty into your marriage, Walter. But I got gray in my beard and gray on my head, and what you saying does not comport with anything I've ever experienced in my life.
You're a very good communicator.
I know. Thank you very much. And that's why I said.
Why is Walter so
nice?
crazy looking?
You expect to have a woman, especially a woman of quality.
That's facts.
Thanks.
You still haven't defined quality. Everyone's.
All right. See. I'm not gonna go back and forth with this.
That's what I was about to say. I was like, you still haven't
defined.
defined.
This is part of the problem. Young man, this is a man who's sitting up in the house with a wife and gonna sit there and tell you money's nice, but you know, if his dude is honestly trying to say, Miss
money
Walter,
is not nothing.
Your husband just said that he
100%, bro. If you don't have no money, nobody's gonna stay with you. I mean, for a little bit, but he just said if he was broke, she would stay with him till he's dead. That's not true.
Lost all his money. You'd be living right on the corner with it.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You and
like
your older
nobody's
age,
doing that.
I'm assuming y'all roughly the same age. This man has basically said if he lost it all, you'd be happy to be going.
Yeah, like no, that's unrealistic. Let's be real.
He said until he died. That's what he said.
He did say that.
Until he died.
Man, sipping the delusional juice.
Because you're a guy that said you don't think you should have to approach women. They should give you choosing signals. Where would you rank yourself on a scale from 1 to 10? How tall are you?
I'm 5'10".
5'10". How much do you weigh?
Uh-oh.
He's fat.
I weigh about...
To what?
Depending on the day, between 280 to 280.
I think I said depending on the day, brother. Brother. I've never heard that before. Man said his weight varies depending on the day.
So you're a fat fucker.
Yeah.
Yo, the way the man said it, so you a fat fuck. And the next thing you reply me like, yeah. Yo, that is so disrespectful.
So you think a 5'10", almost 300-pound dude, how much money you make?
Like 400 every 2 weeks.
So you make 400 every 2 weeks. So you make 800 a month. You make less than $10,000 a year. Okay.
But How many 20-year-olds was him?
Hold on. Dude, I was a 20-year-old and I was making far more money than that. In the 80s, where minimum wage was $3.35 an hour. So I need to hear it. How long? You got a big dick?
I mean, it's above average. I ain't know Ron Jeremy.
No. I asked you if you had a big dick. I didn't say it was above average.
I don't know what that is, really.
You know if you got a big dick or not. Stop the bullshit.
So
every dude know whether or not he got
funny,
a big
bro.
dick. I know I got a big dick. You don't know?
I mean,
you don't have a big dick. That's the point. You don't have a big dick. You don't have a big wallet. You're a fat dude, and you got a lot of nerve thinking you should get choosing signals at 5'10" and 300 pounds, making less than $1,000 a month at 20 years old. And women should approach you. What they get? They don't even get a big dick.
Yo, that nigga is too disrespectful, bro. I'm gonna do more of this still. Guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to hit a like, sub, turn on post notification. Let me know what you think, man, about what he was saying. See you guys later.